You can ask just about anybody who was watching the Sony press conference at CES, and they'll tell you that the only thing they found memorable was the fact that Sony unveiled a car. Yes, overnight Sony has now become a car manufacturing company. The car is called Vision S. It's an electric vehicle, and the only thing that for me really matters or really sets this car apart from the competition, from Tesla and other manufacturers, is that it's got 360 reality audio tech built into the car. Why? Because first of all, you've got to be subscribed to one of only 3 music streaming services in order to enjoy 360 reality audio content. You cannot just play like a radio broadcast from your favorite radio station for the traffic reports, of course, and expect 360 reality audio. It just doesn't work that way. And that is a concept car, so it's not even ready for market yet. So my question is, with the exception of the new Bravia TVs, which look pretty impressive, the best one has got 8K resolution, which is nice. Why didn't they announce any new mass consumer hardware? You know, the kinds that they usually announce at CES every year: headphones, speakers, portable speakers, soundbars, home theater, and digital music players. Those are the things that people were really looking forward to when they attended the conference in Las Vegas and when I sat down at my computer to watch the live stream. So not only was the press conference a big disappointment to me personally, because I've been looking forward to the WH-1000XM4 for a very long time, like many of you, it also disappointed a whole bunch of other people who were just looking forward to some new hardware from Sony. New portable speakers, headphones, digital music players. Sony releases those every year at CES, and many more people who were looking forward to the unveiling of the PS5, because Sony had been signaling to gamers that they were going to unveil something about the PS5. So a lot of people thought that through the way Sony communicated its message, they thought that, you know what, Sony is going to announce the PS5 at CES. If not new hardware, then at least a picture of the hardware before it actually launches later in the year. Instead, all we got, yes, I'm talking about myself too, I'm a gamer, all we got was the logo. I don't know, the whole conference was half an hour long, right? But I came away with the feeling that they could have done the entire conference in 3 minutes. So I'm gonna give you my version of what, to me, the conference should have been like. Hey guys, welcome to the Sony press conference. I'm so glad you could be here because I've got some great stuff to show you. And I guarantee you'll thank your lucky stars for coming. We've got some new TVs with 8K resolution. Yes, I know there aren't many 8K content right now, but you're gonna love these in your living rooms anyway. First, let's talk about some exciting stuff, alright? PlayStation. I know what you're thinking. You're expecting this to be some big reveal of what the PS5 looks like, but I've got something better, and for that, I'll get Jim Ryan on stage. Come on up, Jim. Hey everyone, I have something exciting to show you. Here's PS5's new logo. Yes, take a good look at how much work and creativity we put into that. Oh, by the way, did I tell you how many PS4s we sold so far? It's a lot. Back to you. Okay, finally, let's talk about audio. Last year, we launched 360 reality audio. This year, we're gonna take things further. Ah, I know, you were expecting to see some new headphones and speakers like the ones we've got the FCC to approve recently, but instead of announcing them now, we're gonna show you something far more sexy. A new electric car! It's called the Vision S. It's super rad because it's got 360 reality audio built into the seats. We wanted to go one step up from headphones and decided this is what everybody wants. It's just a concept now, unlike the actual products we could have launched instead, but don't worry, we're just gonna show you that we're innovative. Hope our shareholders are watching this too. So that's everything I have to say. It's been great having you, and I know you feel great to be here too. Head down to our booth, yeah? Yes, you've already seen most of the stuff there before, but check out the new TVs anyway. And before I go, I just want to tell you we are very diverse now. Diversity is the future. Have a great one. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like. And if you want to stay tuned for more news about new hardware that was launched at CES, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because that is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you again very quickly in the next video. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.